Make money online through these top tips. Let us face it. Most people could use more money, whether it is simply to help make ends meet, put money away for a rainy day, or meet retirement goals. But so many of us grow frustrated when we are not sure how to get more. Making money online can help with that. This video is here to help. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. Making money online is a gradual process. You would do well to align yourself with experienced veterans within your niche. Get someone to take you under their wing, talk through ideas and opportunities, and then go from there. If you're open-minded and want to learn, you can make yourself a lot of money. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a nonprofit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. Tens of thousands of people have learned to help line their wallets by finding great ways to make money online. You can be part of these really smart people who are doing this and become a financial success, too. You do not want to miss out. It is time to take financial control. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.